mysterious musty taste, green crisps, the first probiotics for poultry, and the science of salad bags. These were all focuses for food science in the 70s, carried out by scientists in Norwich. In this decade, food researchers were tasked with solving problems of consumer acceptance of different foods. Pioneering techniques in food analysis and sensory testing was central to studies on flavour characteristics. The poultry industry was plagued by a musty taint in its products. Norwich scientists found the musty taint was caused by preservatives in wood shavings imported from Russia and Finland, reacting with chicken manure. The scientists also cracked the case of a fishy flavour in eggs. They identified a compound from rapeseed meal as the culprit. Another mystery solved by Norwich scientists was green crisps. Crisp packets used to be transparent, so you could see the crisps. The Norwich scientist, Dr. Henry Chan's research, showed that letting in the light caused flavour to worsen. Thanks to this research, since the 70s, crisp makers have removed these windows to save both flavour and colour. Today, bagged salads are bought regularly by 2/3 of UK households. Modified atmosphere packaging extends the shelf life of salads by over 50%. Norwich scientists led the way in the underpinning science for storing today's bagged salad. Research, led by Dr. John Geeson into controlling and modifying the atmosphere during packaging and processing of produce like cabbage and tomatoes, had a large impact on how food is stored safely for a longer period of time. His research ushered in the era of prepared salads and vegetables. Another food innovation pioneered in Norwich in the 70s included ice bank cooling. Ice bank cooling is a way of cooling vegetables rapidly to preserve their freshness for longer-term storage. Trials of long-term ice bank storage of UK-grown carrots in Norwich led to this technology being used commercially. Cooling vegetables in the field was developed using equipment designed and made in Norwich. In 1974, the Agricultural and the Medical Research Councils recommended the UK expand its nutrition research. The Food Research Institute in Norwich answered this call by appointing Dr. David Southgate as head of a new nutrition division. He'd worked with Dr. Elsie Widdowson, a pioneer of food composition and health research, and brought expertise in this and dietary carbohydrate and fibre analysis. Research into fibre began to overturn the view that it was just an inert bulk substance in our food. Different types of fibre affect how nutrients are absorbed, and its role in supporting gut flora began to be fully understood. The use of probiotic bacteria in UK poultry was developed in the 1970s by Norwich scientist Dr. Ella May Barnes. She pioneered the competitive exclusion principle. The principle is where adding good bacteria encourages a healthy gut flora, reducing the bad bacteria like Salmonella. This research helped to significantly improve food safety. Dr. Barnes had a distinguished career in microbiology. She previously showed that antibiotic misuse had led to dangerous bacteria like Salmonella and Streptococcus becoming resistant to antimicrobials. She was awarded an OBE in 1978, and the new building next door to the Quadram Institute is named in her honour.